Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Alison, and today I'm talking about food preservation methods. And as you know, I am a student of industries engineering, so this topic is very important for my career. Food preservation is a big part of what we study because engineers need to know how to keep food safe, fresh, and available for people every day. The objective of my presentation is explain why we preserve food, what methods we use, and how these methods help us reduce food waste and keep food safe. I will also show you some explain from Peru, and at the end, we are going to do a short activity together. I hope you enjoy the presentation. In this part, the vocabulary and the key concepts. Before we start, learn preserve to keep food safe for a long time. Freeze to keep food at a very cold temperature. Dry to remove the water from food. Can to put food in a metal or glass container. Shelf life, the time food stays good to eat, and contamination, where harmful bacteria or dirt enter the food. For example, the ice cream is in the freezer. If a food is not preserved, well, can spoil quickly and lose its shelf life. Can you think of a food that spoil fast? Yes. Um, like this fresh milk or fresh fish. That is why we need preservation methods. In the next part is explanation of the topic. The food preservation is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down spoilage. There are many methods, and each one is useful for a different foods. This topic is connected technology and food in general, which are subjects in my career. The food preservation is very important for health and business. Preserved methods are useful in daily life. They are also important for the food industry because companies need products with a longer shelf life. Long ago, people didn't have refrigerators or sensors in Peru use the mountains. They made chunyo by freezing and drying potatoes, and they made charqui by salting and drying meat. Um, these traditional methods worked very well, and people use it for a few hundred of years. Today, the factories are using modern technology. There are freezing vegetables, pasteurizing milk, vacuum packing, to keep food fresh longer. Engineers are also developing new packaging materials that are reducing plastic waste. There are four main methods: freezing, drying, canning, and pasteurization. Freezing stops bacteria from growing. Drying canning seals food in array containers, so here the bacteria cannot liquid like milk to kill bacteria without changing and the taste too much. There is also a traditional method called fermentation, which uses bacteria or yeast to change the food. As it's easy to carry and is healthy. I also like yogurt because it has fermented products with good bacteria for so much. I don't like canned food very much, but I know it's very useful for emergencies and for places without electricity. In the future, the new technology will help use preserve for with less and energy and less plastics. I think more companies will use a natural preservation methods, and food engineers will create smarter packing and will tell us when food is destroyed or spoiled. In the next part, interactive activity. Um, Now let's start a play short guessing names. Um, okay, I will describe a method and you guess which picture is okay. So let's start. This method uses very cold temperature. What is it? Freezing. The answer is um, this method removes water from food using the sun or air. What is it? Drying. Okay. This method uses heat to kill bacteria in milk. What is it? Pasteurization. Um, this method puts food in a sealed metal container. What is it? Canning. Okay. Um, in this part, I closed my presentation. To summarize, food preservation is essential in the food industry. It helps us reduce waste, keep food safe, give people access to food all year, even food that there are the traditional methods like drying and salting and modern methods like freezing, canning, and pasteurization. Both types of methods are very important, and together they helps us build a stronger and safer food system. As a future food industries in these methods use them responsibility so we can protect the people, help and take care of the environment too. Thank you very much for your attention and your practicing in my activity. Um, Goodbye.